terminal kasi hindi ko pa napupuntahan eh. So titingnan natin. Hi guys, welcome to my hotel. Hi guys, my name is Tracy and thank you for joining me today. This is day 1 of a 5-day trip, and for the first day we are heading to Toronto. It is one flight from Calgary to Toronto and I think 20 hours yung layover natin, so samahan niyo ako and I'll take you along with me. See you later!
Flight attendants, prepare for arrival.
Folks in preparation for landing, please remain seated, leave your seatbelts fastened, stow your tray table, tablet holder, and retain the seatbelt to the upright and lock position.
Yeah, I get to go back in about, I think 7:30 or maybe 6:35 a.m.
6:30 a.m. It will be good.
Hi guys! So kumain na ako. Kinain ko yung binaon ko na pagkain. And now I am off to Toronto Island. Ito yung outfit ko right now. Simple, comfortable, and I can move around with it. So that's all I got. Tara na, punta na tayo. At ayoko nang i-waste yung 20-hour layover na meron sa atin. See you later! Tahimik siya ngayon. I think yung mga tao nasa labas lahat. In lobby. So, dito tayo sa Jack Layton Ferry Terminal. Pupunta tayo sa Toronto Island Park. And it's gonna be somewhere over there. So, this is the Toronto Island Park. And, let's see. Merong point kasi may Ward Island, which is a destination for leisurely strolls or an electric neighborhood. Ang pupuntahan ko kasi is itong Center Island, your destination for family fun, picnic or swim at the beach, as well as Hanlan Port, which is also for nude beaches. So, ang dami nating pupuntahan. From over there to right over there. Meron din siyang ferry schedule. It goes from Monday to Sunday and holidays. Madami naman siya, kaya hindi kayo mawawalan ng pupuntahan. And for fare, andito siya for adults 20 to 64, so 9.11 ang babayaran natin. And pabalik libre daw. So you're gonna QR code for ferry ticket schedule. Pero ang gusto kong gawin kasi is yung pupunta ako mismo doon mismo sa terminal kasi hindi ko pa napupuntahan eh. So titingnan natin kung okay naman siya. It's a first time experience for me kasi usually pupunta lang ako sa park. Pupunta ako sa mga familiar neighborhoods. So, nakapasok na tayo guys. Ito na yung ticket. Hindi ko na video. It is 9:11 to go to Center Island and we don't have to pay for the way back.
Attention all passengers. On behalf of the captain and crew, we welcome you aboard the Thomas Rennie.
Maandar na siya guys. Let's enjoy. So I lied guys, akala ko 30 minutes pero 5 minutes lang pala siya. Andito na kami sa Center Island. And we are trying to offload na. Kaya, let's go! So guys, nandito na tayo. Like I said kanina, it took at least 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes maximum to go from downtown Toronto to Center Island. Nandito na kami. Parang nga siyang isang malaking park, which makes sense. Actually, hindi ko lang saan ako pupunta eh. Pero, let's start by looking at the directions. Kasi guys, hindi ko talaga kung saan ako pupunta. I think yung mga islands na minention ko last time, they're all interconnected. So you can actually walk from one island to the other island. So we're currently at Center Island, and Hanlan's Point, which is yung other island, is about 3 kilometers. Tapos my Wards Island Dock, Franklin Garden, as well as yung food bike rentals. So tingnan natin kung saan tayo pwede. So ito yung binabasa ko kanina. Oh. It's right over there. We're gonna go check and see kung ano yung pwede nating puntahan. Yeah, tingnan natin. Hindi ko na-mention, pero you can actually rent a bike. Ito yung mga bike na pwede mong i-rentahan. Siguro next time, magta-try tayong mag-bike. Matuto muna ako kasi medyo tanga-tanga ako sa bike eh. Kaya, we will walk with these two feet for now. And then, eventually later, and by later, I mean siguro, in another visit, mag-bike naman tayo. So ito, hindi ko lang saan ako pupunta, to be honest. Pero, I'm sure itong mga taong to may pupuntahan. Kaya puntahan na lang din natin. Alam niyo guys, sana pala kumuha na lang ako ng pagkain ko. Kasi, tingnan niyo, ang laki-laki ng picnic area nila dito. Grabe. Iniisip ko, sana kung kumuha ako ng picnic mat ko, tsaka ng pagkain ko, hindi pwede rin akong magtanga-tanga dito sa park. Pero alam ko naman may mga restaurant sila na pwedeng puntahan dito eh. So, tingnan natin kung saan. Ang daming mga tao, pero hindi ko alam saan sila pupunta. Gusto kong tanungin kasi wala akong alam. Sabi ko lang, magpe-ferry ako sa Center Island. Hindi ko naman alam tong Center Island na to. Literal na park na picnic spot lang. Yan na, bahala na. Pupuntahan ko na lang yung mga pinupunta ng mga taong to. Sila kasi parang may alam na hindi ko alam eh. Tingnan natin. Oh yes! Ang daming green space dito. Pero, look guys, I found out na meron din pala silang parang maliit na perya dito. I think it's called Centerville. Nakita ko yung sign kanina. Pero look at this. Para siyang lift, oh. So, pupunta ka dyan. Tapos, pupunta ka from one side to the other side. Galing naman lang. Oh, diba? Wala masyadong nag-ride ngayon. Pero, I'm wondering kung sinakyan ko to kung gaano kalayo akong pupunta. Bakit ko sa Bekat? Takot naman ako kay ate. Ito may pizza. Tingnan natin, may ice cream pa nga. Lakad pa tayo guys. Oh, tingnan nyo oh. Centerville Courthouse. Ang cool naman nun. Ewan ko kung tod na yan, pero I think para lang siyang miniature version. Doon nga naman, nalit-lit ng town hall eh. Guys, nami-miss nyo na ba yung yung mga swan boats sa Baguio? Well, look no further ha. Tingnan nyo. Ah! Tada! Swan boats! Oh shit, ito yun. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my god, tingnan nyo yung darating ha. Parang maliit na train. Tapos I think darating sa direction natin. Oh my god, yes. Kasi ito yung train track. Malapit na sila. Malapit na sila! Gusto ko sakyan. Pwede kaya? Libre kaya? Wala naman ako masyadong budget. Ito na. Ay, wait lang. Mag-i-stop sila eh. Pakita ko itsura nila ha. Ayan na. Ayan, medyo maliit. Dahan-dahan. Cute niya. Alam niyo guys, naliligaw na ako. Hindi ko na alam saan ako pupunta. Feel ko, pinuntahan ko yung part ng Center Island na literal na picnic area lang. Tsaka yung pang mga bata. Saan kaya tayo pupunta ngayon? Wala talagang alam eh. Sabi nila promising daw ang Center Island. Siguro naman promising, pero depende sa audience. Kasi tingnan mo naman ako, nag-iisa lang. Gusto ko nga ng kape, pero wala naman ako mahanap na kapihan. Ayoko naman ng cotton candy. 4 na cotton candy spots yung nadaanan ko. Pero ang saya-saya naman ng mga tao dito. Tingnan natin kung may makikita pa tayong mga ibang interesting parts. Otherwise, try kong pumunta sa kabilang island kasi feel like baka mas ma-enjoy ko pa dun. Guys, may kwenta pala tong punta natin dito ha. Tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo! Ito yung skyline ng downtown Toronto. Yan yun, may tubig pa nga tayo. So look at that. Wow! Yun yung ano, CN Tower. Tapos yun yung Rogers Arena. Yung puti na yan. Yan o, ito, right there. See that? Hello, hello, hello. Yung hotel natin is closer doon sa puti na yan. So, punta tayo talaga sa kabila. Pero ang ganda guys, oh. Okay, panalo. Panalo tayo. Okay guys, alam nyo pala kung bakit puro mga pangbata yung nakita natin kanina. Yung mga rides and everything. Nilagpasan ko yung sign na nakasulat, Welcome to Centerville. Tapos, Carnival for Kids. So obviously, Carnival na para sa mga bata. So, ang pupuntahan natin ngayon is yung opposite direction ng park na to. So, we are walking towards the disembarking point ng ferry na pinuntahan natin kanina. Tapos, ano sinasabi ko? Ulitin natin yun ah. Sabi ko, pupunta tayo dun sa disembarking point natin kanina with that ferry that we just rode on. Tapos punta tayo sa kabila para malibot din natin. Oo na, sige na, kayo na yung magkasama. Sus, bahala kayo dyan, mag-break up din kayo. Joke lang. Lakad tayo. Guys, update ha, hindi na pala ako tutuloy kasi 3 kilometers nga naman. Kaya yung pupuntahan ko na akala ko na 10 minutes walk lang, I think mga 30 minutes pag hindi ko binike. Kaya eto, makikintay na lang ako ng ferry. Yung ferry is nasa likod lang siya ng mga puno na to. In 20 minutes pa siya darating. But I think this was a good point for me. Kasi, you know what? At the end of the day, I think yung point ng video na to is for me to practice vlogging. And although hindi ko ginamit yung DJI ko na ininvestan ko na for a while, I think having this video as a way to talk or to practice is very fulfilling for me. So, I think I had a good practice today and hindi na ako as nahihiya as last time. So, yun lang yan guys. Babalik ako sa downtown Toronto, tapos tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede natin gawin. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye! Hi guys! So fast forward tayo. Andito na ako ulit sa hotel. Nakauwi ako siguro 30 minutes ago. Plano ko dapat na pumunta dun sa kabilang island, pero napagod ako guys. Tapos nakita ko na yung ferry na dumadating, kaya I decided to abandon my plan and go back na lang sa downtown. Lumalamig na rin kasi guys. Akala ko mas warmer siya, pero naka-shorts lang ako, and yung windbreaker ko kasi hindi siya enough to actually conquer the cold and the wind that I did not expect. So, I went to Church's Chicken na lang. Treat yourself, diba, sabi nila. So, tara, here you go. Actually, first time kong pumunta sa Church's Chicken. Usually, kung kuha ko ng manok, may Jollibee, may Popeyes, mga, yun lang siguro, or even KFC. Pero, dito lang sa Toronto, ako nakakahanap ng Church's Chicken na nasa Canada. Siguro meron din sa ibang mga ibang provinces o ibang cities, pero I'm here in Toronto and malapit yung Church's Chicken here, so here we are. Ito siya. Kinuha ko actually yung 5-piece chicken tenders combo, so I'll see what it looks like. I'll open it here for you guys. It smells good actually. Okay, so ito siya. Tara! Oh no, sorry. Ayan. I don't know, wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So ito siya guys. I got the 5-piece chicken tenders and I got a biscuit. Tapos yung side ko, instead of french fries, kinuha ko na lang yung coleslaw. Kunwari healthy tayo, pero obviously naman, sino pa ba niloloko natin? Tsaka dalawang sweet and sour sauce. So this is me trying it out for the first time. Pero nauuhaw ako guys. Wala akong straw kaya. Ito, kumuha ko ng iced tea lang naman. Okay, so I'm very excited. Actually, gusto ko lang itry without the sweet and sour sauce. So, ito siya. Tada! Masarap siya. Basta siya okay ah. White meat siya na spicy. Parang very healthy option na chicken tenders siguro. So, tatry ko naman siya with the sweet and sour sauce. Okay. Bet ko siya. Bet ko siya. So, kain muna ako. And then, siguro, mamaya shower. Tapos, decompress lang, manood ng konti. And then, matutulog na ako kasi 7 AM naman yung report, yung check-out time ko sa hotel na to. So, that means waking up around 5 AM to get ready. Kaya, taking all of that in consideration, I have to make sure na I have enough time to rest. Long day kami bukas. We're doing Toronto to Aruba. Aruba back to Toronto. So, each flight is about 5 hours. So, you're looking around a 12-hour duty day. It's gonna be a very long flight. Compare mo naman sa flight ko today, which is only 3 hours from Calgary to Toronto. Pero, you know, I have to get ready. Paghandaan ko siya, it's gonna be just fine. 5-day trips usually are very long, or they're usually not everyone's favorite. Kasi nga, mahaba talaga siya and usually heavier yung mga flights, or by heavier, we mean usually longer flights. And longer flights usually also mean busier flights kasi from Calgary, they are flights like going to Mexico or going somewhere sa US, or sometimes going international talaga like Korea, Japan, Europe. But like I said, we'll take it one day at a time and then we'll go from there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film the rest of this pairing, but thank you very much for watching. Thank you for joining me in this layover, and thank you kasi sinamahan niyo ako sa katangahan ko sa Center Island. I will see you guys in another video, and I hope you have a great day. Salamat! Thank you! Bye!